Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to be looking at how to get set up with Mybridal. So once you've signed up to Mybridal, the first thing that will happen is that you'll get brought to this page, which is our initial setup page. So when you signed up, you should have signed up using your company name, and the first decision that you've got to make once you reach this setup page is your store name. So those two names are slightly different, with the company name obviously being the overall name of your business, and the store name, people tend to use like a location for it, because it might be that you have your actual business name, but then you could have two separate stores running on this system. So you could have one named as Leeds and one named as Manchester. So I'm going to use Leeds as my store name. You can see underneath that we have some example information here of how the store name would be used in communication to the customer. So we've got the booking is for 9 AM at Kentech Software Solutions, which is my company name, in the Leeds store, my store name. So this information, it's used in customer communications in a few different ways. It goes in the receipts, and it can also go in things like your booking confirmations. So it just shows the customer where their appointments are booked. So the next thing you want to add in is the address for this store. So you can do that by manually writing it in, or you can search via a postcode. So I'm just going to search via a postcode, and I'm just using this as my address, Costa Coffee and White Rose Shopping Centre. You want to enter your phone number for the store, and then your store email. And again, the address and the phone number, all these things will be used in your customer receipts. And then you can click update once you're happy with the information. The next thing you want to do is add on your store logo, again for your receipts and your other documentation that are generated in Mybridal. So you can do that by dragging and dropping into this box, or you can click and add your logo in that way. So I'm going to pop mine in. So you can see that it then comes into this window that you need to resize. So I'm just going to drag it. So the logo is covered, and then crop. And that's it. I've set up my details and I've set up my logo. So you can go into the settings by clicking on the three dots over here in the left-hand side of the screen, and then into settings, and you should see that my logo has been updated. And this will be used, like I say, on the receipts and with the other customer communication. I hope this video has helped you with getting set up on Mybridal.